All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, this is another strong one reaching us, still on the matter. Court remands 29 suspected Yoruba nation agitators. Well, onto this, the Iyagaku Chief Magistrate Court in Ibadan has ordered the remand of 29 suspected fake Yoruba nation agitators for invading the premises of the Oyo State. The Iyagaku Chief Magistrate Court in Ibadan has ordered the remand of 29 suspected fake Yoruba nation agitators for invading the premises of the Oyo State Secretariat in Ibadan on Saturday. The defendants were arraigned on Wednesday for their various involvement in the failed invasion of the Secretariat and the governor's office. The news agency of Nigeria NAN recalled that some masked persons invaded the state secretariat to hoist the Yoruba Nation flag before they were demobilized by joint security personnel. The defendant faced a 7-count charge bordering on conspiracy, treasonable felony, belonging to an unlawful society, going armed in a public conduct likely to cause breach of peace, and then unlawful possession of firearms. The suspects, including a young woman and then 5 elderly women, are remanded by Chief Magistrate Olabisi Ogunkami at the Agodi Custodial Center in Ibadan. Ogunkami after that adjourned the matter till August 1 for mention. Earlier, the Prosecution Counsel CSP Funke Fawale told the court that the defendant had on Saturday at about 8:30 a.m. conspired to commit a treasonable felony. Fawale said the defendant allegedly formed an intention and then manifested the intention to forcefully remove the democratically elected governor of Oyo State from office. She said items recovered from the agitators include guns, cutlasses, charms, and knives. Fawale said the offenses contravened Section 3 and then 6B of the Robbery and the Firearms Special Provisions Act, Cap R2, Volume 14 Laws of the Federation of Nigeria 2004. According to her, the offenses also contravened Section 62 and they were punishable under Sections 41B, 6480, 249D, and 516 of the Criminal Code Laws of Oyo State 2000. NAN reports that the defendants are Rafiat Anyawale, 25, female; Ismaila Adepoju, 45; Saburi Anyawale, 28; Adeola Elegbede, 27; Anthony Fatoki, 34; and Matthew Olalere, 54. Others include Friday Isaac, 27; Peter Ismaila, 65; Wasiu Fatumbi, 30; Abefe Muritala, 40; Joseph Adeyemo, 29; Peter Adeyemo, 75; and then Ahmed Adeshokon, 37. The list includes Latif Adejumo, 60; Alabi Ogundeji, 55; David Ayola, 40; Olufemi Ojo, 52; Ezekiel Ajani, 42; Amos Ogundeji, 45; Adeniyi Ademola, 29; Wahab Salahuddin, 56; and then Dosumu Toyin, female, 65. Others are Esther Abiona, 78; female; Funsho Omoya Jowo, 64; female; Tola Olufemi, 60; female; Alabi Oritola 44, Kayode Fakeye 45, Titilayo Michael 58, female, and then Yusuf Adebayo 67. All right, so and then exactly what is actually reaching us onto this one, and then right now. It's no longer funny. Court remands 29 suspected Yoruba Nation agitators. All right, so and then as it is, so a fool at 40 is a fool forever. Who sent the fools is under air conditioning, sleeping, enjoying herself. Let's be wise, men. Okay, that's another one. Yes, a lot of people have actually reacted that these people, what could have warranted them to have listened to this woman, knowing fully well that what is going on in the country in the first place is nothing to write home about. Yes, a lot of people, everyone knows that there is hardship in the country, but for somebody to come from nowhere, the person you cannot see, to tell you that for the hardship to be reduced, for you to have a better life, you need to carry weapon and then go and destabilize. You too, you should have thought about that. That how on net, this is what we call treasonable felony, and then the result and the punishment behind that is only God that can save that person to come back. So that's exactly what we are talking about. Everybody needs to wake up. All our youth need to wake up this time around, because I see no reason why you will believe this person so much, somebody you have not seen before, and then you know what the Yoruba Nation movement is all about. At least with the names we have here, we can see that most of these people are even Yorubas. So do you want to tell us that all the awareness that Chief Sunday Igboho had been making rounds, you do not hear that Chief Sunday Igboho is different from Dupe Onidoti? And Chief Sunday Igboho, we already know, will not in the first place call you to come and drag with the incumbent government. No. Who does that? That's exactly what we're talking about. Everybody needs to wake up. Now, this woman, a lot of people have come out to let her understand. In fact, to let the people understand that this woman, her plans is to destabilize and disrupt the movement. That's exactly what her plans have been. And then God is bigger than her, because right now a lot of people have seen it all. That this woman, they have seen all her tricks to bring down the movement, so that nobody will talk about Yoruba Nation. But they've forgotten that if they do not talk about Yoruba Nation, this same Yoruba Nation happens to be the group that has been saving a lot of Yoruba people as far as Southwest is concerned. Yes, even the government over there has not done what the Yoruba Nation movement has done to save the lives and properties. Look at what Chief Sunday Igboho did in Igwerele. Or is it Ilora village you want to talk about? Or Ibakpa? Or what's that place again? No, a lot of places like that. But look at what is happening right now. Now they want to stop this so that they will be able to penetrate into the people. It will not work. Everybody needs to be wise. Yes, everyone needs to wake up. It's only the good Lord that will help us. Well, my brother, my sister, this is exactly what is reaching us right now. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take, my people, on this. And remember to subscribe for more updates if you are just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right, thanks and God bless.